Hi everyone, it's Josh here. We're at the convention center, 6:30 in the morning, the day of this big SeaWheeze run. And it's late September, so it's quite dark outside. In addition, it's raining quite heavily. However, I believe everyone's spirits here is quite high. Everyone's been looking forward to this event. I hope it's successful for the participants as well as the spectators and the guests who are on course too. That's also really important. Everyone here is proceeding to stretching, group stretching, and it's quite busy. It's going to be exciting. I'll keep you up to date.
To start too quick.
So Lululemon has a department for people and culture. Lululemon does have a list of values and a culture that represents their values. Most people know this from the shopping bags at the store, which has the Lululemon manifesto, as well as you could get an idea of the culture by stepping into the store and talking to the staff there. If you want to get a better sense of the Lululemon culture, the nearest store is your best resource. They have some events that take place regularly. Another way is to be part of this event. SeaWheeze is, I feel, Lululemon's flagship event, and it really embodies the culture, the spirit, the values of Lululemon. So I hope this video can give you a better idea of what that's all about and how fun the run is.
Absolutely. You can work out between your run. You can feel the energy. Not only have people in front of us. It was hard to see without anyone in front of you. It's a sunny day in Vancouver. Here we go. I'm just here to do two acknowledgements today. The first one, we want to acknowledge where we are. We're about to embark on a run for 21 kilometers on ancestral indigenous land. We're on the Coast Salish territories, specifically the Musqueam, Squamish, and Tsleil-Waututh Nation. Second of all, I want to acknowledge you. Let's take a mindful moment. Let's have everyone close their eyes, and then we will begin. Take a moment to acknowledge all the people that challenged and supported you in being here. They might be beside you right now at home, anticipating your call at the finish line. Run to them. Let's acknowledge the privilege of this exact moment. To feel the rain on your body that's about to run and check off a huge goal in your life. Every moment is precious and it will never happen again. So literally soak it all in. And finally, acknowledge yourself. All your hard work, your grind, the moment you didn't want to run, and for today, for showing up. This is it. You got this. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Open your eyes. Everyone put up their left hand, right hand on top. On the count of 3, we're going to clap it in and we're going to begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go! There we go. Are you ready? Ready. Now keep moving to Brianna. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
volunteers. And here's another crazy fact. I don't know too many events where there's a wait list just to be a volunteer.
Wow.
People want to help you.
You too can
We
do
want
it.
to help you.
Next year, let's go. Volunteer.
Hard rock, look up at the girl, she on the jock.
45 and under. We got a whole bunch of pace beavers here.
You guys are jumping.
Runner, yes. Get
Especially
hyped.
right at the front here. I feel there's a lot of energy right at the front
This is
here.
your moment.
A lot of smiles too.
Stay loose, guys. Stay loose. Keep moving. There's so much room up front here. Come
Come
through.
on up. Come on if you want to.
Oh yeah, there's so much room.
Your time does not start until you cross that red line.
Oh, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. I got goosebumps beyond 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's go, Vancouver!
Let's go back to her.
Yes, this is your song. See you at the party.
Don't run away from your love. Don't turn away from the heart of the groove, from the way that we move. Kill the life we can
Smile! Woo! Hey, what's up? We've arrived to the Stanley Park seawall. I'm exhausted, others are exhausted. They're keeping up, they're having a good time. Weather's clearing up a bit, still a ways to go. A lot of encouragement along the way.
Great job! Well done!
Keep it up, let's go. Almost good effort, good effort. Good work. Pushing yourself, let's go. Good job, good job. Let's go, let's go.
Keep it up! Keep up the good!
Good job. Well done, brother.
Way to go.
Hey, new BFF! Woo!
Where are you from?
Bellingham. How about you?
I'm local. I'm New Westminster. Yeah.
Hey, thanks for having us.
Welcome to Vancouver. How often have you done SeaWheeze?
This is my 7th year.
What keeps you coming back?
The drag queens and the mermaids. And the seawall.
So what's your opinion of the vibes in this race? That's different than other races.
It's always the best. It is always the best. It doesn't matter if you come in first or last, everyone cheers you on. It is all heart. There are parts that just make me want to cry. And this is the first year I've not run with my friend, but that's why everybody's my friend today.
So I'll share that with you. There were several times during this run where I became emotional.
Yeah.
To me, this is not a PR run. This is not a personal record run.
Nope.
To many of us,
It's a heart
this
run.
is a goal. Yeah, it's a heart run. It's about achieving goals and working hard. Now, I'll admit, I was emotional several times during the run. I'm not even close to the finish.
Yeah.
And of course, there's a lot of joy inside of me, but I felt myself getting kind of teary.
Yeah.
If you could believe it.
Yeah, no, I do. I shed tears. I told the queens the second time through that I hope that somebody brings them the same kind of joy that they bring to all of us. It's an amazing time.
What's really interesting about this race is that despite the crummy weather,
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of spirit in the people here.
Yeah.
And it shines through.
It does. It does. It's like I've had a big grin on my face. I've cried. There are parts that feel really hard, but I've also had this really cheesy grin a lot.
Okay, let's finish this together.
All right. Woo, you're amazing. Keep it up. Let's take a photo with them. Oh God, you're gonna make me walk down here.
Well done, runners.
We see some Instagram videos being shot that will be hashtag SeaWheeze as they cross the finish line.
So here I am back at the convention center after the big run. Kind of crummy day. We're all given these space blankets, all warming up with brunch included. So this concludes the video. Hope you found some interesting stuff. And if you want to join, just check out the website, follow the social media channels, and register early. Namaste.